What's up, it's me, Shay, again. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on the Independent Model 10 trucks, I believe. These are real good trucks. The only problem is they are super heavy. I like how they have the kingpin nut sliding it down so I can grind on them and not hit the kingpin. I mean, that's it, like I'm talking about the 2 Series. They're real solid and turn relatively well, and I still got the game basic bushings in here, but I haven't used them that much. My truck's relatively tight, which is why I like this right now, but I really like them. They're solid, they're really heavy though, which is a downside to them. I think they don't have anything on them. Okay, little piece sticking right there. But so, I remember the bushings, they come with okay. Not the greatest, but I could replace them with boats or with EMs or something like that. Good bushings. If you're gonna ride these trucks, I'd recommend to not do street with them. It can get super heavy if you're trying to get on a big rail. It's gonna weigh you down. You're not gonna get out there as easy. But yeah, so far I give these trucks like a 7 out of 10. Just my honest opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.